Well, good morning. It's Paul here at the Spaulding Team. It is May 6th, Monday morning. Let's see what's happening in the greater Las Vegas real estate market here for the last couple of days. New listings here. Let's see what we got. Quite a few already this morning, 19. Alright, well, we have on the low end a $140,000 two-story townhome, 1159 square feet, 3 bed, 2 bath, built in 73, with no pictures. Let's see what we got as far as location goes. Valley View in Penwood. Okay. So we'll just slip on over to this one, which is another townhome, 1,550 square feet, 3 bed, 2 bath, 2 car garage, built in 04 for $215. Okay, I wonder what that is for. Nice and clean. No covered patio. No landscaping. Nice interior, nice flooring, pride laminate. Looks good though. I wonder if this is just refurbished on a flip or something. Walls, pretty bright. That's got a nice concrete back area here, even though there is no landscaping. Got the same picture? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, what does it say here about keyless instruction post? Oh, it's an open door. Okay, there you go. That's a reason. Okay, and so highest price is another one with no pictures. Blows me away. $740,000, one-story single-family home. 2 bedroom, 4 bath, pool and spa, 2,500 square feet. That is crazy. Sun City Anthem, that's why. Okay. That's a nice location there. That's that big lot right there. Interesting. That is very interesting. It has a pool and spa. Okay. Let's go to yesterday. 2-story condo, 863 square feet, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, 1971 built. Okay. Pool 1, nice clean pool. Security bars on the windows. It's not bad. Good rental unit. It's close to downtown. Maryland Parkway. Yep. Pretty good rental unit. Let's see what else we got here. Yesterday. Highest end 929 single family home, 2-story, almost 4,000 square feet, 4 bedroom, 4 bath, 3 car garage, pool and spa, built in 01. Like it's been refurbished. Wonder what that is. Wet bar, I guess. Butler's pantry, pool. Nice backyard. Yep, spa. Pretty nice. Nice view of the mountains there. And where are we? We are at Alta and Wallaby. Okay, that's nice. Saturday, Pirates Cove, little condo, 711 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 115,000. Same area as that house. Oh, it looks pretty nice. I like the way that they do the turquoise trim on that. Looks like it's just been refurbished too. Nice and clean. For only 115, is that what I saw? Yep, pretty good. Oh, that's a one bedroom though. Sorry about that. Okay. What else do we have on Saturday here? Wow. There we go. 740,000. 4,400 square feet, 6 bed, 4 bath, 6 bed, 5 bath, 3 car garage, pool and spa. Nice looking house. Pretty nice there. Okay. Couple of nice palms out front. And where's this Cascade Lake? Durango and Warm Springs, okay. Rhodes Ranch, there we go. Alright, well that's that. Let's see what we got going in escrow here. We have 402 in escrow. And we just closed. Oh, I've got a couple of them recorded closed yesterday. This little townhome here, 1,200 square foot. Closed for 120,000. Nellis and St. George, or Sir George. Okay, over there. And this one also closed. Berkshire Street, 288,000, 1677 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Oh, nice looking little house. Nicely refurbished. Pretty vanilla. Okay, 288. Where is it? Warm Springs and Fort Apache. Okay. Just above Rhodes Ranch there. Okay, and here's Fridays. 2-story condo, 700 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Green Lane. Okay, yeah, I've been here. It's a nice little complex. Upstairs, downstairs. Good deal. Hacienda in Maryland Parkway, Paradise area. Okay. Then, what do we got here? 3333. These are all on Friday. And we closed on Friday. 50, 75. There we go. 182. Villa Rica, 1551, 7,200 square feet. Wow, big ass house. Excuse the language. Seven Hills. Man, that monstrosity. Backyard it has. A theater room. There we go. Not much. What size of a lot is this on? Oh, 24,000 square, half an acre. Wow. Somebody paid cash for it. Nice. Multiple offers received on it. Interesting stuff. Okay, well that's that. Let's see what's going on. Pool homes this weekend. Anything going into contract? Single family with a pool. Whoops. 0 to 3 days. 0 to 3 days. How many? Quite a few. Osborne. Interesting. Yeah. Okay, so what came on the market during that time? $81. Hayden. Okay, well, that is what we got going on in the market today, so we'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.